Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday virtually flagged off the 100th Kisan Rail, a multi-commodity train service dedicated to farmers amid ongoing protests against the centre's three contentious agriculture laws. A deadlock continues to persist as protesting farmers want the laws that liberalize agriculture sector be scrapped, while the government has offered to amend them after holding talks.
Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday virtually flagged off the 100th Kisan Rail train service amid ongoing protests against the centre's three contentious agricultural laws. The 100th train dedicated to farmers as part of the multi-commodity train service will carry fruits and vegetables from Sangola in Maharashtra to Shalimar in West Bengal. PM Modi said the train service over the last 4 months has hugely strengthened small and marginal farmers who account for 80% of the peasantry in the country.
जो रेल अभी तक पूरे देश को आपस में जोड़ती थी, वो अब पूरे देश के कृषि बाजार को भी जोड़ रही हैं, एक कर रही हैं। साथियों, किसान रेल सेवा देश के किसानों की आमदनी बढ़ाने की दिशा में भी एक बहुत बड़ा कदम है।
Meanwhile, as the anti-farm laws protests at New Delhi's borders entered 33rd day, the central government on Monday called representatives of protesting farmers for a meeting on 30th of December for further discussions to address their issues. Previously, 5 rounds of talks between the farmer unions and the government have failed to break the month-long deadlock as farmers want the laws be scrapped while the government has offered amendments based on facts and logic.